Just a few years ago, you could easily spot a fake looking AI video just because of the morphed faces, the lip sync that was completely out of sync, robotic movements, and glitchy transitions. You know what I'm talking about. But that's about to change. So ByteDance, the company behind TikTok, they have recently launched their pre-release version of Seedance 2.0, and internet is blowing up.
The game is over.
People are saying that this release could be the true multimodal. That means along with the text prompt, you could give it reference images, reference videos, audios all at once. On top of that, we're talking about 2K resolution exports and 30 times faster video generation. It's already leaving behind OpenAI's Sora and Google's Veo 3.1. But I'll break that down in a second. Some tech companies are even calling it one of the most advanced AI generation models in the market right now. And we're going to take a sneak peek into some of the most speculated features and what we can expect from this release. My name is Hina. I make videos on tech and travel and life in general. If you're interested in that kind of thing, then subscribe to my channel. But before diving into Seedance 2.0, let's first take a look at Seedance 1.5 Pro and how good or bad it was. Take a look at this video.
For the last decade, our smartest devices have demanded our eyes. They trapped us behind glass, but technology shouldn't take you away from the world. It should help you experience it. Is the first computer you don't look at. You look through.
If I didn't know any better, I'd say that this is an actual CEO of a tech company who is about to launch a tiny computer. Notice how perfectly the words are aligned to his lip movements. It's very real and lifelike. And by the way, this is Seedance 1.5, which was the previous version. Just by looking at this scene, I'm sure you cannot tell if it is real or AI. But it's not all perfect. There are some glitches here and there. Check out this video.
Welcome, friends. What can I get for you? We want a jug of beer and some snacks? And don't forget the olives, please. Absolutely, right away. Welcome, friends.
A lot of subtle telltale signs in this one, like the bartender's eye movement when the customer is giving order.
We want a jug of beer and some snacks? And don't forget the olives, please. Absolutely, right away.
And the most obvious one when the customer says, and don't forget the whatever. But this was the previous version, guys, which is already looking very cinematic and very high quality. Mimicking human body movements is one of the toughest job for an AI. And I'm literally shocked and impressed with the levels to which AI video generation has reached. And in the next 6 to 12 months, we may not be able to tell the difference between real or AI. Talking about movies, this model is by far one of the best when it comes to creating cinematic scenes by making complex camera movements and subtle facial expressions that are key to a character's detail. I'm going to leave you with one more video and see if you can spot some glitches here and there, and let me know in the comment section if you do find them. Now let's talk about some of the most talked about features of this new release that's going to come up soon on all platforms. Number one is turning a single text or prompt into an entire scene. When I want to create a video, then I have to give it a whole big prompt and it just creates maybe a 1 or 2 seconds video. But we could see a lot of enhancements in that area in Seedance 2.0. People are already posting their videos on beta testing that's happening in China right now, how single text and prompts are generating entire scenes. The second key thing is the multi-camera storytelling. Like in this video, you see the man running and then the camera follows the side shot of the man crashing into the fruits cart. This is impressive detailing and camera movement right here. One of the areas that AI has struggled a lot is when there's a lot of movement in the scene involved. When you look at this video created from Seedance 2.0, while the camera movement is very heavy, the characters are still consistent, you can also see the characters falling back on the ground properly like humans do. This release looks very promising on high impact scenes. Now the multi-input control that I talked about at the beginning of this video, this new model can combine audio, video, text and images all at once to add more cohesiveness to the scenes. The model will be able to understand each input's role and keep the character consistent. So these are some of the most talked about features of the upcoming model. Like I said, I'm pretty impressed and scared where this configuration is going. Just last year, I remember sitting in my office and trying to integrate AI to our backend systems, but this is crazy. Pretty soon we'll be watching a lot of AI avatars instead of real people on social media. But for creating movies and creating ads, and if you wanted to clone yourself and create videos without having to talk in front of the camera, then this could be a game changer for you. I have dropped the link of the platform for you to play around with in the description box down below. You can check it out, and if you're interested in more such videos, please hit the like button for me and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.